Welcome to Bedtime Japanese. Tonight, let's look up at the May sky where colorful fish are swimming in the wind. Our first word means sky.
空、空、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
空を見上げます。
In early May, families across Japan raise tall poles outside their homes. From these poles hang Koinobori, beautiful windsocks shaped like carp. Our next word means family.
家族、家族、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
家族で祝います。
The carp is a symbol of strength and courage because it swims upstream against strong currents. Parents fly them to wish for their children to grow up healthy. This word means strong.
強い、強い、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
強い風が吹きます。
The largest black carp at the top represents the father. Below it swims a red carp for the mother, and smaller blue or green carp for the children. Our next word means to swim.
泳ぐ、泳ぐ、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
空を泳ぎます。
As the spring breeze catches them, the clothfish billow and dance, looking just like a family of carp swimming happily through the clouds. Our final word means wind.
風、風、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
風を感じます。
May you also have the strength to swim through whatever currents tomorrow brings sleep well and sweet dreams.
おやすみなさい。